Howdy everyone, this is Grant Bynum with Uptown 101, and this is my channel, Best Dallas Apartments. Hey, so I'm here at the Mirra Frisco, and I'm filming their co-work area. So this is on the second floor, and it's easily accessible with just a quick elevator, but it's very, very private. I love it. You've got spaces all around you to sit. You've got plugs also to use. All around you to sit to, so you can just be taking up little tables like that. You do have a fridge there. You've got an ice maker, so you've got, you can kind of prepare your lunch or just kind of put it in the fridge and maybe heat it up if you need to. So you do have those kind of things here. You do have conference tables too, so those are available, so you can have a bigger conference if you need. And there's even office spaces in here, so private office spaces. You can just grab those. Those are no charge. They're available first come, first serve. Really cool space. It's really very well lighted, nice in here. It's be a great place to come. And by the way, it's about noon, so that's why you're not seeing anyone here. But man, fantastic place. It's really good to have this kind of amenity. You don't want to just be, if you're working from home, you don't want to be just at your apartment all day. You want to be with other people sometimes, and this is a perfect way to do it. So this is a co-working area at the Frisco apartment building known as the Mirra, and I'm excited to show it to you. If you have any questions, or you're ready to take a virtual tour, that's a virtual live tour that's personalized for you of the Mirra Frisco, let me know. You can send me a text. That's my number. Just say hi.